I think like the AEC industry is missing that what in most of the like product development companies we are they are talking a lot about the user experience and how to make that as enjoyable as possible. And I think in AEC industry it's more about that how we can make it as effective as possible. Like for example, we are buying a lot of really expensive machines and tools and different things, and then if we go to the field and look at the construction, we can see that the guys are standing there because they need to wait for that thing to first dig that thing, and then this needs to go, and there's like a lot of inefficiencies that makes those expensive machines wait, and a lot of different things that like a lot of like loss of time. And I think the idea of the user experience is kind of wrong word, but how it is implemented is the same way as in BIM, that it more focuses on delivering the information or making it the flow much more faster and easier and clear. And I think that's something that really maybe there's a better like lean construction is the closest example of that.
Yeah.
But it's really interesting that they're really like, for example, in my current company we have a really big interest in BIM, but then when it comes to the like buying tools or testing different things, that for example yesterday we were talking with one project that let's buy a drone so we can get like area calculations, and we can get like geotiffs to see how the project is working, so the foremen can then look from their phones that okay, there's construction there and we are progressing there, and we need to now move a couple of machines on other side to connect and such.